Hi, welcome to my channel. Namaskara. So today we will be talking about the spares, which is an essential one for CB350 Highness. The few important spares that you need to go for aftermarket for CB350 is one is the mud flaps, the front wheel mud flaps. The second one would be your right side footrest. The third one is a backrest. Fourth one would be the carrier if you are going for a longer rides. And the fifth and not the least, that would be the tank cover. So let me come one by one. The first one is the mud flaps. So CB350 is designed in such a way that I don't know why did they design it so the mud guard is designed so shortly. When you are going on a dirt, all the dirt will be on your bike or on your legs actually. So to avoid this one, we need to add an additional mud flaps to the mud guard. So when I went to the service station and asked for any OEM product from Honda, they said the company doesn't have any OEMs. So what I did was I went for an aftermarket mud flaps. It was somewhere in the range of 300 to 500 rupees. I think so, and I came to the service station guys and asked them how to fit this one. They were simply fitting it to all other bikes. I saw that notice they were actually drilling their mud guards. So drilling the mud guard is not an option for me. So since this is a premium bike, so better not do that one. So the alternative solution for the mud flaps would be I went for the RX back wheels mud guard. It's a rubber one. All you have to do is apply a 3M tape on the rubber portion of this mud flaps and stick it to the inside portion of your front wheel mud guard. And it fits exactly, and it doesn't spoil the design of your bike also, and it has a good flow with the ergonomics of the bike, and it does the job. It ensures that no dirt of your front wheel is on your engine or on your legs. And this thing actually costed me 50 rupees only. And another additional cost for this was for the 3M tape which I used, which actually costed me 80 rupees. So including it came up to 130 rupees. If you already have a 3M tape, I don't think so you will have to spend an additional amount for that one. So the mud flaps is only 50 rupees, which is from RX back wheels mud flaps. The second one is the right side footrest. Well, I had a bad time searching for the right side footrest. I went to the JC Road, and every shop I went, they actually told me the right side footrest would cost me around 800 rupees. The starting range itself was somewhere around 800 rupees, and went all the way up to 1550 rupees. So this is really ridiculous. For a mud flaps, spending that much of money is not good. So the alternative solution which I came up with was a TVS XL footrest. Actually, I don't know how it exactly happened. The TVS XL footrest fits perfectly with your bike. Actually, it sits perfectly on the silencer, and it acts as your footrest. The only slight modification which I did there was a small ring below that footrest. I had to slightly taper it up so that it doesn't come and sit on my silencer there. This is really important since your silencer is chrome finish, and people tend to keep their legs on the chrome finished silencer, and it will start to have scratches here and there. So this thing costed me only 100 rupees, and fitting charges is of, I did it myself. It costed only 100 rupees for me. And the next one is the backrest. Backrest is really important if you have a family, and if you tend to go for a longer distance with your family. And the backrest, there are different types of backrest which is available in the market. maybe it is a subjective portion also. Well, I went to a Backrest which costed me 2100 rupees, and it came with a plate also, the plate where we fit our carrier, and this thing costed me 2100 rupees. Only. And the next one is the carrier, the box which I am using there. It is from Studs actually, and this thing costed me 1100 rupees, which is of 22 liters. This is a simple one which I'm using it for longer distances, not for the city drive. It costed me only 1100 rupees again. The fourth one and the most important stuff is the tank cover actually. I have seen people, adding that small plastic piece on the tank cover right in front of the tank where you sit there. I'm not happy with that, and actually, maybe a few people may disagree with this one. The tank cover should always be covered actually. It should be covered completely, maybe not from the sides, at least on the top portion of it. It should cover your the fuel cap also. So this thing costed me 150 rupees. It's a simple design which I got it done by the nearby seat cover shop. It's a simple cover. It ensures that it covers your tank, because whenever my son tries to sit on my bike, he always steps onto my tank with the shoes or chappal there. This is really important. I don't think so that small plastic pitch which tank company is providing will do the right job for me. So this is what I have chosen for my bike. I think so you people can go with this one. It just costed me 150 rupees, and maybe it differs from person to person and area to area also. Is your phone holder. Since CB350 is are being used mostly for the highway riding and stuff, this phone holder is really important. And the bike already comes with the C-type charger. All you have to do is buy a C-type cable and ensure that you charge your phone there. The phone holder which I have brought is from a local shop here, and this thing costed me only 350 rupees. Well, if you go for a branded one, it would cost you somewhere from 800 to 900 rupees is the starting range. It goes all the way up to 2500 rupees also. I don't think so this is necessary. And this 350 rupees one is doing the exact job of what even the 2000 rupees phone holder is doing. And even that is made of alloy. And it sits perfectly. No alteration required. It goes to your mirror area. These are the 5 important spares which I have been using for my CB350. You can go through this video. I have ensured that I have done my best to show you how the spares has been used in the right place and how it is used there. That's it for now. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe, share. Thank you.